This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. That being said, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff so you get the videos I put them out, see what I'm thinking, see I'm analyzing that data. Like I tell every day, the data they release us is false. It meant to give us a false narrative of the market so we can make bad trading decisions. So listen, the banking system in the United States is hanging on by their fingernails, and it's because of their greed, because of our regulatory agencies not doing their job. I'm referring to the SEC, FDIC, CFTC, FINRA, and all the other agencies that's supposed to be protecting the market and protecting retail investors. But the banking crisis isn't just limited to the United States. This banking crisis, I believe, in my opinion, is worldwide. We know China's in trouble, and England's in trouble also. British bank Metro announces a capital raise. Okay, they raised 325 million pounds, which is about 396 million US dollars, and they're refinancing 600 billion pounds worth of debt. Okay, the Metro Bank, one of the biggest banks in England, is in trouble also, is hanging on by their fingernails. They had to get Colombian billionaire Jamie Jelinski to step in and save the company. Well, save the bank. And the situation was so dire that the new bondholders, like if you have old bonds with the bank, you can now trade them in for bonds that are paying a higher interest rate. Okay? They was in such dire need of funds in order to stay afloat that they even restructured the bonds to where the old bondholders can trade in their older bonds for newer bonds at higher interest rate. Now, Mr. Jamie Jelinski, the Colombian billionaire, is a majority shareholder of Metro Bank. And as far as I'm concerned, they're still not out of the waters. They're still not out of the waters. They're still under pressure. And even though they did refinance the $600 billion in debt, even though they did get the cash infusion from Jamie Jelinski, Metro Bank is still in trouble, and a lot of banks all over the world are still in trouble. The banks in the United States are still in trouble. And while this is bad for the economy, I think this is great for people holding AMC, GME, PLTR, and MULN stock, because to me, this means that these banks will stop giving out these high-risk loans to these entities that are naked shorting AMC, GME, and all the other stocks. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think that Metro Bank had to bring in Jamie Jelinski and give bonds at higher ratings because they were hanging on by their fingernails and they're still not out of the waters?